Welcome back, everybody. Now Bitcoin is bouncing and all the moon boys are coming out from their holes, probably calling for a reversal or a double bottom. I see people calling for this a double bottom, man. Anyway, you don't want to fall for this nonsense, bro. First of all, look at that. It's below the 50-day MA. The 200-day is sloping down. Is sloping down. If you want to invest in Bitcoin, don't buy a falling knives, man. Don't catch a falling knives. Look, if you go back to 2018, look at that. It was above the 50-day MA. That was the begin where you should be starting accumulating. You can see the 50-day MA was flattening, going sideways, and then it broke above the 200. Boom. That's the money. You can also add the 100 MA, and then you can start buying here. Okay, but you can see it's building some kind of a base. Right here, when you buy now, right here, let me show you 1 second. Let me go back to where we are. As you can see, right here, we are below all major moving averages, man. All major moving average. Bitcoin is still bearish, man. Don't fall for this nonsense. This is a trap. It's a trap. Can it be the reversal? Absolutely, it can be a reversal. I told you, I'm buying above the 50-day MA and the 200. I already have a little bag, and that's it. Bitcoin, to me, it's irrelevant. It's not important. I'm looking for alpha. I'm looking for trading altcoins, not Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin I'm gonna buy once it's gonna flip bullish. Now look, it's still super bearish. It's still below the support. Okay, you remember that was our support here for almost 200 days. 5 months. Expect rejection if it can get there. Expect it to get slammed back down. Now it can also build a rising wedge here, okay? A rising wedge and get smashed, okay? It can be a big bear flag, man. A big bear flag. Don't fall for this nonsense. Don't buy this nonsense. If you don't have any Bitcoin, you want to start DCA and that you're feeling it, go for it, man. But really, don't go heavy here. Don't go heavy here because there is a lot of downside risk, in my opinion. And also, man, look at the S&P, all right? Look at the S&P, man. The S&P, you need, for me to flip bullish on Bitcoin, and I don't even look on Bitcoin, man. I look on the S&P. If the S&P is below this resistance, this is resistance right here, okay? You can see this resistance is actually rejected the price 4 times this year. 4 times. That's the 4th time we're getting rejected from here. Okay? And we broke below the 200-day MA. This is bearish. This is bearish. So even if you're going to get a little bounce now, that's why Bitcoin is bouncing. But if you're going to get a little bounce, let's say for a nice couple of days, you have the FOMC meeting next week, and it's below resistance. Okay? So as long as the S&P is below the resistance, you want to be cautious. You want to play defensive, and you want to. And once you want to see the rejection here, let's say put in a lower high, this is the time to short, man. This is the time to short. I already short some altcoins, but I'm going to go heavy short on the next rejection. Once I see the rejection and the Bitcoin trap completely, on the chart. Now you can get the rejection from the 50-day MA at the 18K. You can get it at 18.5, 19, 20, and you can get rejected here at 17.5. Okay, so that's basically what I'm saying, man. Don't fall for this nonsense. We're here in the channel. We're here to tell you what we think, and we're here to protect your capital. Our main job is to protect your capital. Obviously, if you want to our full service, check out our trading group. The link's in the description if you want to make sick money in a bear market, bull market, or sideways market. Doesn't matter. But we're here in this channel to help you protect yourself against the moon boys out there, because the moon boys is a disease, is a big disease. And in a bear market, you don't want to listen to moon boys. You want to listen to bear boys, okay? Don't listen to moon boys in a bear market. Listen to them in a bull market. I will never listen to them because they never take profit, okay? So really, stop listening to all the fundamental nonsense and the on-chain data and watch the charts. It's still bearish. It's below resistance. This is mega resistance. As long as it's still below it, I'm bearish. If it breaks above it, I'm going to start being more bullish. As long as it's below this resistance, bear, okay? Short oriented. We will short it. And we are short, and we're gonna keep shorting. All right, guys? So that's my 2 cents. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. What's your opinion, man? I want to hear your opinion. Are you a moon boy? Do you believe now Bitcoin is going to 40K now? Straight line, in straight line like that, yeah. In a straight line, just like all the Moonboys. All Moonboys now, they saying, we're going now straight up to 40K, straight up, you know, in 1 hour. Are you one of these guys, or what's your price? Do you think Bitcoin is going down to 12K? Do you think Bitcoin is going down to 11, 8K? Let me know down in the comment down below. Pleasure talking with you. Have a wonderful day. Cheers.